So hello guys, today I'll show you how to change the screen in the iPhone X. Here is the iPhone X in the white color. You see the cracked screen and has been out of the frame a bit, and I'll show you how to change that screen and replace it with a new screen and see if it works. So first of all, I'm going to remove two pentalobe screws here in the bottom of the phone. So here I have my screwdriver and I'm going to remove the screw. So the screws are not going to come out. Somebody tried to fix this phone and destroy the screws. So I need to remove the screen and crack this part of the screen. So here I have my hair dryer and I need to heat the screen in the sides a bit to warm the adhesive and loose easier. I think that's enough. I'm going to put the suction cup here and remove it, and look, it's not in very well condition. The screen has been replaced and it's not replaced good. So we can see here the screen is attached to the frame only with glue, not with the screws. I'm trying to remove those screws and put the new one here. So after I removed the screws, but I couldn't remove all the screws because this one is stuck, and I need to remove the battery cable first. And this is the battery cable here. It's made better with plastic. Not use the metal tools. And then remove the screen, sorry. And this is for the speaker and other things that are the proximity sensor and other things. So I need to remove this piece and bring it to the new screen and then continue attaching the screen. I'm going to remove the screws and I will skip this step because it's just waste of time, and continue with removing this. So after removing all the screws, I need to remove that part. I zoom in a bit and so you can see better. So here's the screw it was left. So I need to remove this part, which come easy, and then attach to the new screen. So this is the broke screen. Let's zoom out. This is the broken screen and I have the new one here. Here is the new screen that I ordered online. It's original because it's a OLED screen, not LCD or IPS, however do you say. Here it is, the screen. So remove package here. Here is the new screen. So now I'm going to attach this here. So everything is lined up well. So I'm going to put the screws on and continue with the process. So I attached the earpiece and the sensors here. so you can see, and I know I'm going to try the screen if it turns on and everything works well. So I'm just leaving like that, not putting any screws until that I turn on the phone. Here it's working and the phone doesn't have a battery. So now I'm going to put the screws on, and then I will attach the screen and everything should work fine. So I installed all the screws. Now I need to put some glue around the frame because the screws are not working because they are stuck. I tried to remove them but I couldn't remove them. And now I'm going to put some glue and attach the screen. It's the only way I can fix this phone. So I want to attach some rubber band around to keep it tight. So it's working fine. So I leave it to dry, and then I will try the everything's work fine in the screen, the touch and other things. So guys, after I leave it the glue to dry, I plug it in the charger until this, and the phone is turned on, and we can unwrap from this elastic bands, and that I put some